Hello guys, welcome to the CSS crash course. In this video, we'll look at how to apply styles to an HTML document using internal CSS. My name is Kafui and welcome to my channel mods.dev. Please subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I release a content on the channel. With that said, let's get started. When we talk about internal CSS, this is when we use the style tag within the HTML head tag to apply styles to an HTML element. So in my HTML document here, I'll go ahead and define some HTML element quickly. So this is just an H1, and then I'll declare a paragraph and then generate 20 random words using lorem, and when I save, we see it displayed in my web browser here. So in order to style this element, I'll go into the heading tag and then I'll define the style tag or the style element. So in between the style tag is where we select our HTML element and style them. So in order to style this H1, I'll select it first, and then using curly bracket, in between the curly bracket is where I specify my CSS properties and values. So let's say I want to change the color of the text. I can specify the color property and change it to, let's say, red, not read, red. And when I do that and save, the color of the text has changed to what? Red. I can increase the font size using the font size property and change the font size to, let's say, 50 pixels. And when I do that and save, you see that it becomes bigger. So this is how we can style an HTML element using internal CSS. So out of the H1 selector here, I can select the paragraph element, and then in curly braces I can specify some styles to it. So I'll change the color to teal, and then change the font size also to, let's say, 30 pixels, and then maybe add a font weight of, let's say, 900. And when I do that and save, you see that those styles are being applied to what? Our HTML element. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section for discussion. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.